Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP video, in which today we will discuss on purchase register option of books menu. Purchase register option of Mark ERP software facilitates to viewing or printing all the purchase transactions that have taken place between an organization and its suppliers. Now let's see its process in the software. For that, firstly we will go to books menu, then from here we will enter on purchase register option. So a purchase account window will appear where we can view all the purchase transactions that have taken place. So if we need to view the further details of the purchase transactions for any month, then press enter on that month. Suppose we enter on August 2017. Then this purchase account window will appear. And now to view the further details of the purchase account, then we will select the purchase type from here, like we enter on purchase central. So all the purchase tax type of purchase central will displayed here, as you can see on the screen. Now if you want to view the more details, so you will enter on any central purchase percentage from this window. Suppose we select the purchase type GST central purchase 12% and then press enter on it. So a ledger display window will open. Here a few fields shown to you like ledger, monthly, daily, summary and cancel. So to view the ledger detail, we will specify the dates here, that is from which date till which date you need to view the purchase details of the selected purchase central, that is GST central purchase 12%. Then click on ledger button. So the GST purchase central 12% details of purchase central ledger will appear. Here you can view all the purchase details of the selected purchase type. Now if you want to view or modify any purchase transaction, we will press enter on that particular transaction. It could further be seen whether the purchase was made through a local or central dealer. So this alteration window will appear here. You will view or modify the ledger as per the requirement. Then is monthly. If you want to view or modify the monthly ledger of selected ledger, then from this ledger display window we will click on monthly. So here you can view all the purchase details of the selected purchase central, that is GST central purchase 12% on monthly basis. Then is daily. If we will click on daily, then we can view all the purchase details of the selected ledger on daily basis. Then is summary. If we will click on summary, then we can view all the purchase details of the selected purchase central in a summarized manner. So this type of selected type window will appear where we will select the options as per their requirement, which needs to be viewed, and then click on accept. So like this we can now view all the purchase details of the selected purchase central in a summarized manner. Now if we need to view the further details of the report, then press enter on it. Suppose sundry creditors, suppliers. So in this way you can view the further details of the report. Then we will come to the main window. For that we will press escape key, then click on yes button from here. So we will come back to the main window, that is purchase account. Now if we need to take the printout or to view the print preview of the purchase account, then press Alt plus P key. Then this drop down of months will open. From here we will select the particular month, or as per your requirement you can select the more months. Like here we are selecting the months, that is July, August and September, and then press enter key and then click on print if you want the printout, or can click on view button in order to view its preview. So we will click on view button, and in this way you can view the preview of selected month or consolidated months. So friends, in this way we can use the purchase register option of Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.